Hi everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with something you may not have expected. Well, actually, I guess you kind of could have if you read the caption of my post last week. This week we are doing a foil sale, so we are going to be doing a sale on all foil products in the shop, but I am also going to be having some new releases for y'all. And I did this, I think, a couple of months ago. Well, maybe 9-ish months ago. I don't really remember when, but I did release 10 foil bundles and do a foil sale. And I was like, you know what? That went off really, really well. And there are some foil bundles that I really want to get out. But even at releasing 2 foil bundles a week, I have so many backlogged foil bundles that I need to release. So let's go ahead and just pop these 10 up and shop on Wednesday, and we're also going to be doing, like I said, a sale, so you're going to be getting a discount on these as well as all of the foil in shop. So let's go ahead and go through all of the different foil bundles that are going to be added to the shop this week. I do have, I believe, 2 that are restocks, and this one here is going to be the ice foil bundle in confetti. We're going to go through all the confettis first because that is the majority of the designs. So this sold out so fast. I actually need to get a bunch of them to bring home because this goes with so much. It's a really, really pretty light blue. It's just matches so many different spreads, especially in the spring and summertime, and even I guess in the winter, because I have used this with wintry spreads before and it looks stunning. So this is the first foil bundle that will be coming to the shop on Wednesday. And again, this is a restock. We need more of them in our lives because even I didn't get any extra ones that I needed. So we do have that. Another one that I'm not sure if it's a restock, I kind of tried to do a little research and I couldn't figure it out, is this one, which is in the, not this one, sorry, I lied. Actually, I'm not sure if that one's a restock either. I forgot to look up that one, but this one here is that sparkly pink color. We have used this color like a bazillion times in many different foil formats, but this is a sparkly pink. It's gorgeous. It's like the perfect sparkly pink. It matches so much, especially when it comes to sparkly foils. I feel like they do match a lot because of the variation when it comes to the sparkle. So this one again is in the Confetti 2 format, and it is gorgeous, beautiful, perfect perfection, and I love it. It's going to match so much. And this is another one that I need to bring home a couple extra copies of because it is just out of this world. And then the next one here, I think this might be Malibu. I have to double check as far as the color goes, but it's a really pretty hot pink color. It's not super hot, but it definitely is a little bit brighter than the last as far as the tones go. Super, super pretty. It doesn't have any shimmer to it. And again, I think that this is a restock. I probably should make notes on that because my brain just is kind of getting a little out of hand as far as what I can and can't remember. The rest of them, I believe, are new. Actually, this is my second time filming this because I feel like I'm always just losing my mind. This one also might be a restock. This one is a sparkly black. It's like the fine sparkle. It's so pretty. And then confetti foil bundle. I think this was the order that I did restock a bunch of different foil bundles that had sold out so fast. And these ones do really go with so much. So I'm honestly not surprised that they sold out so fast. I think I also did order some restocks because I think I ordered the Hunter Green at some point, but I think that that's coming in the new foil bundle format. So more confetti foil bundles coming. This one here, I could not find if this was a restock because I don't remember having a color like this. It is different than the matte bronze. This is matte bronze. It's lighter and it's matte. This one here is not matte, but it's a really pretty brown, almost like a bronze, I would say. And maybe that's what I'll call it, depending on if I already have a bronze, but it's kind of giving bronze energy, right? Maybe, or something along the lines of that. If you have a good name idea, let me know. But it's gorgeous. It's going to go with so much. It almost looks kind of like a penny color if the penny was a little bit dull, not like that super coppery color, but it has those undertones, I believe. So those are all of the confetti format bundles. We do have this one here in sparkle. I believe the next 3 are going to be overstock of mystery foil bundles. So this one is in the sparkle format. It is in champagne lights, and it does have the older scripts in there. So it is a little bit of an older one that I have been hoarding. And all of these are in the same format that I've shown you so far for the most part, as far as what you get in the foil bundle. And then after this one, you will switch into the ones with the hole reinforcers in it. And then this one here is another mystery overstock. This one is in the shimmer foil bundle. So this one does have the shimmer underlays, whereas this one has the regular bougie. And this one also has the newer scripts, but it has the older icons. We're all over the place with our formats here, but super, super pretty. We'll go with basically anything. I think Sparkly Hollow is one of the most like diverse foil colors and the most fun in my opinion. The next one here is a mystery overstock, but this is what the newest format with the hole reinforcers. This was in the grocery mystery, and this is in the, it's like a confetti black, so it's a little bit thicker of a texture than the last black I showed you. And this is in the pixie dust format, which is brand new, and I love it. It's gonna go with so much. I think this would be really fun to mix with the punk bundle. I think it'd be gorgeous. I love the hole reinforcer edition. I just think it is stunning and something that y'all have been asking for forever. And I just always thought that everybody really wanted the headers over the hole reinforcers, but you know, I'm wrong. And then I also do have this one here in the same format of pixie dust, and this is a sparkly red. So this is like the sparkly is like, I think of like more micro, and then confetti is more like thick glitter. This one is in sparkly red. I thought this would be great for the holidays, but as well as like if you celebrate the 4th of July, or I was thinking Valentine's Day, it just anything that you can use red with. Even like Halloween, there's a lot of kits that do have red accents in them. I thought this would be stunning for that, but I was mostly thinking Christmas because I do love Christmas quite a bit. And then the last foil bundle that is going to be added to the 10 foil bundles, and I'm going to do it the same way I did last time. And if you weren't here for the last one, I don't put these like all in their respective like categories on the shop as far as like these all with confetti, these ones, and I'll put them all in one listing just so you can see exactly what is new. And then if you want to shop the sale elsewhere, you could just kind of like browse the website. But just for ease of you finding all the new ones specifically, I'll just put them all into one listing. And then this here is a new format foil bundle that you have not seen yet. And this is the firework foil bundle. And I thought this would be great for any celebration. Again, 4th of July, New Year's Eve, could be cute for Christmas. Anything that is just like celebratory, birthdays, things like that. Anniversaries, Valentine's Day. I've used foil, like firework foil, like Disney kits, like for so many different things. Let me see if I can get you. There we go. So this is the first page. So you do, it's going to be hard to see with this. There we go. So you do have the full box overlays, which are gorgeous. The accent in this is stars. So we do have a like star with just the corner for something a little bit lighter. You obviously can mix in other sparkly hollow elements if you wanted to break up the fireworks, but honestly, I love how these are going to look on full boxes. And then you have the stars in the header overlays. The underlays are our firework underlays, so if you need extra ones, we do have them in core foils in the shop. This one here has the fireworks, and again, the accents are stars, so those will match the other ones that are in shop. Then we have the newer icons and script page, and then the last page here is the bottom washi page, so you do have stars and fireworks in the deco. You do have this cute little, it's hard to see. You got little stars on there, little fireworks. I loved these headers. I thought they were a little bit too much to be on all of them, but I thought they were cute right there. And then you have stars and then your bows. And I just think this turned out gorgeous. And I cannot not wait to use it. I think it's going to be so stunning. And if I remember correctly, I think I might have got this one in mixed metal too for other foils. I think so. We use this one. I don't really remember. We have some mixed metals of one over the other. I think it was the firework though coming soon. So that is everything for the foil bundles and then also the sale. I'll leave all of the information down below as well as post it on Instagram, Facebook. You'll get an email. It'll be on the website. It's going to be everywhere. But we're going to go back to our regular new releases starting next week. I have a bunch of things to release and I am filming this quite early. But as far as the next week's new releases, we are at least going to have 3 kits. I'm expecting maybe to even have 5. We are going to be using the pool art here, the Juneteenth art, and then this art here is new exclusive art that's going to be coming. And I wanted to give kind of like a sneak, but like keep it secret. But it's going to be epic. But wanted to give you all a heads up on that. But likely, like I said, we'll have more kits. I hope you're as excited as I am to get these foil bundles paired with some kits in your kit lineups. And I will talk to y'all in my next video. All these new releases will be up on Wednesday at noon Eastern. And that is all. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to y'all later.